Alright, Ness. Here's K-Rool. K-Rool all the games? K-Rool all the games? Or?
Oh my. We should pay attention to the stream right now.
Oh. What was it?
That's a stock. It's
no
gone.
Okay.
That's.
I'm looking away for 1 second to update scores, and Aaragon is already dying.
You looked away for a second, and a stock is gone.
It is too lit. All right, we'll do.
Oh my. What do we do?
We'll do G-Wiz and Smorgasbord on an open setup.
Okay.
Devin getting owned right now. Awesome Devin moment. You like the custom stage? Yeah. Yeah, I got it. Yeah. Is bedroom setup open? Who's playing in there? Oh, Slim. What was your score with J-Danger? Okay. You went who? Who'd you go again? 2 and 3? Okay. Oh dear. Hold on. Devin's cooking. This is dangerous. Alright. I'm gonna have you and Tim on the bedroom setup. Is Tim playing? Tim K-Don? Devin getting absolutely smoked right now. Never mind. Yo, hop on. Hop on.
Slap.
That's going to be dominant game 1 from Cuban Misfire Crisis. Yo. It's just too lit.
It's your boy, Willie B.
Willie B on the Michael.
Willie B.
Aaron? Don't do it. Don't pick the fucking song.
Pick the song.
Don't know. Don't know. Don't help him. I swear to fucking God. No! Yeah, that's so funny. That's hilarious. I'm laughing. I hate this song so much.
It's a good song.
It's the kid die. Please kill him fast so we don't have to listen to this. What? Oh! Had the roll read in. Doesn't get it though. Low key, this matchup's kind of ass for Luigi.
Something like that.
Down throw. Okay. I'm just saying, Jake Fox's Luigi would have killed there.
Yeah, that's true.
Yo, hit Nair up B if you're not gay. Do it. He's not hitting it. Shouts out Tempur-Pedic Mattress, the official sponsor of Howard's Realm 2. They gave us $7,000 and I blew it all on crack. Down throw bear. Good kill confirmed. Flex the Zaire and it goes absolutely nowhere. Yeah, Aaragon's playing special stick Zelda.
Yo.
Up he goes.
Yo, he hit the wanky.
He hit the funny wank. He hit that shit. Okay.
You?
Yeah, just setting up Knight, hanging out in the corner. Although, are we gonna see it?
Oh.
Up there. Okay. Committed to the combo even though he saw him in shield. He said, you know what, maybe it'll hit anyways.
Yeah.
Because I'm playing Luigi. There's no love in the world. It's a crisis. He wants it. Oh, he had the roll in. Didn't find it though. We know what he wants. Down throw. Down throw side B.
Yeah.
Come on. All right. I got 2 more regular fires and then a misfire. That's 1. Here comes a alright, he's got a misfire stored. Next one is a misfire. Trust. Watch this.
That's it.
Okay, that one didn't count. It's the next one. It's the next one. Alright, 3 more. 3 more regular fires and then it's a misfire. 1, 2. Alright, well now, oh yeah, now the counter restarts. He's back to 5.
Okay.
That's 1. Okay, sure. Who cares? Who cares? We're done with this. We're done with the song.
Dude, that was real.
Please don't do it again. Please get out. You're not even looking into the camera. That's a wrong number. He's looking into the other camera. Whatever, who cares? Just play the game. I'm gonna go crazy. Oh dear. Hang on, we got a banger.
Luigi.
Luigi.
Oh, no
Okay.
way. No way.
Alright. Okay. No, don't. I'm done with these two. No. He's got the Evangelion Dark Samus. It's over. Just don't get your charge shot reflected and everything will be fine. I know Devin's Samus goes hard. Because everybody's Samus goes hard. Because this character is for toddlers.
I think Samus against Zelda is pretty good.
Only Dark Samus though. Regular Samus is perfectly fine. Back there. Oh, missed the double jump. Boosh. Cool. It's the ledge trap. Doesn't find it. Bear. Hey, these bears.
Yo, Zelda's a secret heavyweight.
This is true. She ate all the fucking food in the house. Fat ass Zelda. Oh my goodness. All these bears from Devon feel like I'm in a cave. Howard's cave. You excited to meet Howard later?
Yeah.
It's just a guy who comes out in a big mascot costume. He's got the Howard JPEG tattooed on his skull.
Dang.
The double up air.
Never got played.
Yeah, that's Howard. No, Galanch is the cat.
Yeah.
The cat with the Roblox face is Galanch. Oh no, the reflector.
I think it should be obvious because Howard's a
Jake, what if instead of high school? Jake, what if instead of high school, what would we have? And what happens at Riddler's school? Can you please read it out on stream? What if instead of high school, we had Riddler school? I'm gonna pull that video up. Hold on.
Can we play it over the stream?
Yeah, I'll play it over the stream.
Dude, that'd be hype.
Slap.
Devin owning. Awesome style.
Cool.
I'm marking it as random
Yo.
because it's an option that exists, so you might